Hi, I'm Miles from Solar Tops here with another FAQ video. This video's topic is local versus national installers. Who has the better price? Contrary to what you may think, a report by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory suggests national installers are 10% more expensive than a local installer. A local installer has better opportunity to customize your system, use superior products, and have solid warranties to back up your system without the big name tax added to your bill. As a local installer, Solar Tops offers premium products at an affordable price. We have more freedom to choose our products, which will not only save you more upfront, but long term, as these quality panels will perform better in this specific climate. Who will install my system faster? Working with a local installation company can improve the speed of your installation. Solar Tops has a reputation for quick response and installation times, not because we cut corners, but because we've been doing this for more than a decade and know the right people to speak with in each city, utility, and HOA. National installers don't always install the system themselves, so you're at the mercy of a third-party installation company to come and install on your roof. You may not know their schedule, how busy they are, or who they are. Who has better products? A local installer typically has better variety of products best suited to meet your needs. We are not linked to a specific company, granting us more freedom to choose the best equipment for the desert climate we live in. Who has better quality of workmanship? National installers may be a household name, but they do not work on your project from start to finish. National installers will hire third-party contractors. This requires you to wait on the schedule of multiple companies, and then if something breaks, who will take responsibility for repairing your system? We've seen it happen many times. As a matter of fact, sometimes we get calls from the national installers to assist in repairing systems that were incorrectly installed. Solar Tops is involved in every step of your installation. We communicate to keep you aware of where we are in the installation process, and we are readily available to fix your repair at a fraction of the time it would take a national installer to even respond to your phone call. Our engineers and parts are on site, dramatically reducing the downtime between your system going down and when our repair team can come out. Who will give me better customer service? Having a local installer makes for a convenient response time throughout the installation process and if there's a repair. Typically, when you make a call to a national installer, you need to call a 1-800 number to get in touch with somebody. You also may never hear from the installer after everything is said and done. Some national installers will gauge whether or not to service your home simply on how close you live to their closest warehouse. If you're too far away, they won't service you. Give us a call and get straight to the source. Solar Tops is in the area to service your home. We've installed solar panels all over the state and we're willing to do the same for you. Come see why thousands have made the switch to solar with Solar Tops.